Hey, it's Locksmith here. Okay, we're gonna do a little video. Got a little bit of time. We're gonna change the battery out on our remote. This is your 3-button here. For this task here, you will need a CR2032 battery and a flat tip screwdriver, medium size. So first thing you're going to do is, if you have a keyring attached, you want to detach it, remove it. Then we're going to turn around, take the Mercy blade, set it to the side. I'm just using a glorified flat tip screwdriver. This is what we use when we service remotes. Now you'll have 2 indentations, one where your Mercy blade come out, and then right here where you're going to want to put your flat tip. The side here that has meat, I've always found when you put it in and you rotate right there is the best spot to do it. And you just give it a little bit of tension. You notice it opened up. If you can't get the pull apart, don't force it. Just take your flat tip, put it in right here where that meat is, and just, you know, pry it open just a hair. So we've got the 2 apart. Here's your battery. Here on this side right here is where the tang is, and I'll give you a little closer view. You'll see right here. Do not pry over on that corner. You can put it here or here. I always go opposite of it, and just lift up and the battery pops right out. And this is your CR2032 battery. You do notice down inside there, it actually shows you a little positive sign. So when we reassemble this, we'll put the positive side down, push it towards the tang, and I put my thumb pushed down. That way I know it's locked in there. And I like to rotate it over, just make sure it doesn't drop out. Now that you do that, take your 2 halves, put them back together. You'll notice it's starting to snap together. And just walk around the remote with your fingers. And you notice it back together. And we're done. So with that being said, hey, thanks again for watching. SgtLocksmith here. We do have different videos on our playlist. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know the video helped you out. Leave us a comment. And if anything, you know, if you have questions, go ahead and send us an email. We'll try making a video of it. We do have the do-it-yourselfer stuff and basic locksmithing skills. And we're slowly building on the channel, but we do release videos bi-weekly minimum. Hey, thanks again for watching.